Okay, Dr. Huebner, I am here with Larissa, and Larissa is here more than 2 years after her transplant here. You can see her follow-up video after 9 months or a year. We have our whole process on our website. So I'm putting this video on here, and she's nice enough to agree to do this because a lot of people ask about the long-term results. So this is now a little more than 2 years, and she has just as much hair as she had at her result, maybe even more. I love what she's doing with her hair. She's kind of keeping it really natural. She says she wants to be a silver fox. She's going for that. And she's actually here for some more. But Larissa, what do you feel, even after 2 years, how do you feel about your result? Do you feel like it's still as thick as it used to be? And tell us why you're back.
I love the results. It has been fantastic watching it grow, watching it fill in the way it has. I'm back because I have a few thinning areas, and that's just hereditary, that I want to get filled in. So once I get those filled in, I don't think I'll ever have an issue with my hair again.
Yes, and we always say, going from the first surgery is like going from black and white TV to color. Now we're going to take it to high def with the second pass. So we're going to really focus on some areas, hitting those gaps, tighten up that hairline even more. I'm going to show her just from the top. Do you mind putting her head down just for a second? I'm going to just show off before and after. Awesome. So happy for you, and excited to show, and thank you for showing your progress, and I'm really excited to see what the second surgery does for you. So thanks so much, Larissa.
Absolutely.
Thanks. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.